Welcome to the General Courses Briefing for Session 2026-2027. In this presentation, I will briefly introduce the general courses offered for foundation students under PPST. The courses include Introduction to Information Technology, Computing and Digital Skills, Analytical Skills, and Basics of Critical Thinking. The other general courses are Tasawwur Islam and Pendidikan Moral. For Semester 1, students from Science, IT and Agri-Science programs will take Introduction to Information Technology and will take Analytical Skills in Semester 2. Tasawwur Islam and Pendidikan Moral will be taken in both semesters. Students from Foundation in Social Science will take Computing and Digital Skills and Basics of Critical Thinking in Semester 2. Tasawwur Islam and Pendidikan Moral will be taken in both semesters. Now, let's move to the syllabus and the course assessments. First, Introduction to Information Technology and Computing and Digital Skills. The lecturers for these courses are Miss Osni Tahir, Mr. Jedal Bolankikit, Madam Siti Hasna Tanalal, Mr. Jonathan Liko, Mr. Tiong Khan Voon. Students are encouraged to communicate professionally with their lecturers and actively participate throughout the course. This course was designed to provide students with the fundamental aspects of computer and information technology. Students will learn about computer hardware, software applications, networking components, internet usage, and web development. At the end of the course, students should be able to understand the basic concepts of computer systems and realize how technology is used in industries and daily life. This course is also practical in nature, where students will apply their knowledge through assignments and projects. For the course learning outcomes, students are expected to achieve three main outcomes. First, students should be able to describe computer system components and their interactions. Second, students should be able to identify current technologies in computer hardware and software. Third, students should be able to demonstrate web design concepts through developing a simple website. Students are encouraged to take the assessments seriously in order to achieve these learning outcomes successfully. Among the topics included are Introduction to Computers, Understanding Computer Parts, Internet and Web Resources, Application Software, System Software, Networking, Digital Security, Web Design and Development, Building a Simple Website. Students will gradually develop both theoretical understanding and practical computing skills throughout the semester. For assessments, the course consists of Test 1, 15%, Test 2, 15%, Test 3, 15%, Individual Assignment, 15%, Group Assignment, 25%, Presentation, 15%. No final exam for this course, only continuous assessments. The students are advised to manage their time properly and complete all assessments according to the given deadlines. Next, we move to Analytical Skills and Basics of Critical Thinking. The lecturers for Analytical Skills are Dr. Kimberly Anik Ador, Ms. Noor Farhana Binti Abdul Halim, Ms. Noor Shahira Binti Shabani. The lecturer for Basics of Critical Thinking is Datu Rizali Datuk Datu Aranza. Analytical thinking is the process of developing and supporting beliefs while evaluating arguments made by others in real-life situations. This course encourages students to think actively and skillfully through observation, reasoning, communication, and reflection. Students will also develop problem-solving skills and practice critical and creative thinking throughout the course. For the course learning outcomes, students should be able to describe basic principles and theories related to analytical and critical thinking. Apply knowledge, familiar solutions, and skills to solve predictable problems of routine tasks and study. Use digital technology to support learning and information processing. Integrate knowledge for lifelong learning and development of new ideas. These course learning outcomes aim to prepare students with important thinking and reasoning skills for academic and professional purposes. The topics covered in this course include Introduction to Critical Thinking, Creative Thinking, Arguments and Reasoning, Assumptions and Analogies, Constructing Arguments, Current Trends and Global Issues, Business Case Studies, Green Technology and Sustainability. Students will participate in discussions and activities related to real-world issues and situations. For assessments, the course consists of Test 1, 15%. Test 2, 15%. Test 3, 15%. Individual assignment, 15%. Group assignment, 25%. Presentation, 15%. No final exam for this course, only continuous assessments. The students are advised to manage their time properly and complete all assessments according to the given deadlines. Students are reminded to register for the course through the ITEL system. Please ensure that you join the correct course section according to your program and semester. Important announcements, learning materials, assignments, and assessments will be shared through the learning platform. Please do not forget to register. You can scan this QR code. Students are encouraged to join the official communication group for general courses. Important updates and announcements will be shared through the group from time to time. Please ensure that you follow the instructions given by your lecturers and course coordinators professionally. That is all for the General Courses briefing for session 2026-2027. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. We hope all students will have a smooth and successful learning experience throughout the semester. See you in class and all the best for your studies.